Hi guys, for you who haven't been to Benidorm, this is what it's like. This is the strip. The guys that stood over there. Part of the show. Got the strip down that way. The square up this way. You all get offered if you come up here, they all want you in the bars. The best bar in Benidorm at the moment. Right away, they're pumping it out tonight. One that didn't stop.
English train drivers. Jeez.
You reckon that's where he was, Marcus, English train driver? There we go. There's the beach camera.
I was seeing this.
It's
the square practically.
Yeah, they're all been in the club. We're really early at the moment, guys. So not even 12 o'clock yet. You won't be able to walk up here about 12 o'clock. There you go. And after that, wow. That's after that, isn't it? This is the place. You go home before 6 in the morning, you're gone home early. They're patrolling over there. Free t-shirt. What he said? Huh?
Free shots.
Oh, free shots. I thought he said free t-shirt. Good stuff.
Got to dance again.
Bananas, as I call it. Marvellous. Yeah, they're all going to be here. One of the most expensive piece of the pizza I've ever been offered. I think there's about €4 in there for a slice of pizza. Yeah, you got all your bars up here. Champions. Cafe Benidorm, one of the best. When night out late, should get in there. Gets back mine. Those are the bars I don't know about as well in Benidorm, mostly for the Spanish. Here we go on the... A bad crossing that one. Camden Town there. Good bar. Fairly new bar. We'll go back down through there in a minute. I just want to show these couple of bits at the top. The Orange Hotel there. Great place to stay if you want to go out drinking on the strip, on the square, into your partying. We've got a bit of a way to walk up now. There's a couple of the old bars that used to be. The old Sinatra's there. What they let them do in Benidorm, absolutely wrecked now, and now they're not going to do anything with it. The other bar, the old bird cage, which I think somebody's doing something with. It's all been boarded up. They did have the homeless sleeping in there, so yeah, it's all been boarded up now. There was some banging going on behind there the other day. We come past. Night and day, the best place for kebabs. Your kebabs, your Indian food from there. And they've got a full menu as well.
I've got as far as saying best kebab in Benidorm.
Yeah, they are. And just over the road there, you got Woody's Bar, karaoke and Axon in there. Up round the corner, up the top there, you've got Tommy's Bar, which is more, yeah, standard like club bar back in England. 3 acts a night, bingo, bingo, yes I said bingo. No, they don't play bingo in there, they play housey. Because, as you know, bingo is illegal in Benidorm. Everybody plays it, but it's illegal in Benidorm. E-scooters. Let's go down with on, that makes a change. Obviously got somebody on singing in there. Oh, we're going all over the place again. There we are, we won't have too much of that because we get copyrighted. Just walk past bars, YouTube. If you ever stopped in the Orange Hotel, let me know what it's like. Especially at 4 o'clock in the morning. Or 6 o'clock in the morning when everybody's coming out the bars. Anyway, we're going to have another walk through the bars. And then we're going to do something else, I think. What are we going to do then, Marcus?
I don't know.
Oh, we got a few of these. I thought you wanted to go down the front.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding me.
Here we go. You want stiff with Charlie? Wow. Loads of it up here. None of this Charlie guy is, but there we go.
Seems a nice lad though.
Well, everybody seems to know him, don't they?
Yeah.
What's wrong across there?
Yeah, so it's alright. Hello guys, come here.
Here we go, champions again. Cafe Bay. This will be absolutely bouncing about. About 1, 2 o'clock. Absolutely bouncing with everybody here. You can walk down here now, straight line. Hippodrome there, that's a good bar. Like everywhere else, guys, these bars have a little bit of trouble. But in every bar. I'm sure you can find some from every bar. And the beach coma. Never going there again, guys. Full headbanging music and really bad music. For me at my age anyway. So the boom 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 music. So I hope I don't get copyrighted on that now. Oh, we'll just have a quick look down the other end. Got the Zodiac bar in the corner there. Chaplin's there. Oh yeah, 6 shows type of stuff. Yeah, we 6 shows in there, and I don't really know what else goes on there. Mum's still with us? Aye. And just a normal, getting back to normal. Silver City there, just on the end. Great little bar if you want a little bit of a quieter drink. football on. You'll let yourself think, look. Then you come out on the Avenida Mediterraneo. There's the grill down there. A few steaks. I've never been in there, so I can't recommend it. I've heard you wait a bit for your food in there though. That's just what I've heard. Maybe it's just a bad night at the time. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.